2020 Dodge Challenger Hemi, 5.7 liter V8, less than 200 miles on it. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it comes with a factory X pipe, and we put FLOWMASTER Super 10s on it, one right there and one right there. And then we did a rear resonator delete on both sides, right there and right there, into quad tips, there and there. Came out absolutely beautiful. Hope you guys like it. I love it. It is beautiful. There it is. That's how you put the Super 10s on it to fit them. Let you guys hear it in a second. So we did about 2 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago, we did FLOWMASTER Super 10s on this and did a muffler delete. He didn't like the sound too much, so he went and bought a BORLA ATAK system for it. So we'll let you guys see what it looks like, and he wanted everything welded, which I don't blame him for. It's got the stock converters, got less than 500 miles on it. Then the BORLA ATAK comes with a factory X pipe, then 3-inch pipe, and it's got these things in it, like header pipe kind of. It's a different setup than we usually see. There and there. Then it's got the active exhaust you just bolt on the other ones on too. I recommend you take it to somebody when you do get it, because it's a lot of work. Then 3-inch tailpipes, there and there, and we got them some custom tips, square tips, right there and right there. That's the system we took off of it, right there. So there's all the clamps and stuff. Nobody likes clamps. We got everything welded nice and clean. I'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. BORLA never disappoints. It's a special way they design it. It's cool. Right there and right there. So we'll let you guys hear it. So as you guys can see, round 2, it was way too quiet still. So we said we gotta do something else. So we went back under it. Still got factory converters, the BORLA X pipe. Then we took these out. Basically, this is BORLA's version of resonators for drone inside. They look like this. They're really cool looking, and they make a huge difference in sound. So it was sound decibels like 113 before, when we put the pipe bombs on it in the back. And then these were right here. So we had to take these out too. So we're gonna see if it makes a huge difference or not. Because when we put them up, we started it while it was cut, and it made a little bit of a difference. So when it goes all the way through, it should make a huge difference. But that's the rest of the system. That's where we cut them off, put 3-inch pipe in their place. And you still got the active exhaust there and there. And then the 3-inch pipe. This should sound like a beast. Oh yeah. Sound decibels, go ahead. Oh man, 108, 109. This is what we cut off. There's the 2 mufflers, 2 resonators. FLOWMASTER Super 10. Never disappoints. Those tips look really good on them. Again? It's definitely louder on fire. You like it?
I like it.
guys here on the inside. Go ahead. Again. Still at 113. It's louder though.
It is loud.
Again. Press that sport mode or track or whatever. Did you click sport? All right, back it up. Drive it down the road and see what happens. I thought you had beeping. I'm like, wait, back it up. That's exactly, it was like perfect timing. I'm like, really, dude? Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger 2020 Beast with a Hemi. Just give me 1 second, I'll be right with you. Out with the old, in with the new.